Yeah, I forgot posting this video when I was I don't even have one. But anyways, hey guys, so today is the 25th of July and I was just going through my iMovies library and I saw that I've not posted this video and this video was like I have been editing this video for so long and then I forgot about it. So I ended up making a PONG game, and in this video, you will be seeing how I progressed through the entire thing and all of those. This was actually shot during my vacation time, so yeah, that is it. I hope you like the video. Good morning, guys. It is the 16th of June, and I started building like a game. This is Pong, and it's going quite well actually. I am 20 minutes in. Why does it feel like I've done a lot of coding? It's just been 20 anyway. Okay, so I'm following this tutorial, and so far so good. Um, Let me just show you all how much I was able to make. Ding, 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 ding. And she's out. So, yep, going good. This is going quite well. I will be continuing with my HTML and Java script. So one thing is, you might know a lot of people say that do not learn two like languages together. I'm not learning two languages. I know Python quite well, so I'm just building game so I can refresh and learn new things. I am using Turtle here, and I have no idea what Turtle is in Python. So yeah, that's a good thing. So I wish to complete this today itself, and I will be having this in my Git as well. So yep.
Much later.
Hello guys, I have reached. I think it's almost completed. So I just wanted to show you all what progress I've made. So we finally, hello guys. So we finally, this is what is happening. So the only issue I face over here is I will increase the speed a little bit so that it gets more fun. And over here, the other problem that I'm facing is that this is writing on top, so the score is getting printed on top of it. As I was following the tutorial, later in the tutorial itself, the server was able to, create like a solution for that. This was my first experience creating a legit project, which I loved a lot. I will be creating more of them, and I am going to be creating a video for the same project. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching.